To copy an Instagram link on your iPhone, you can follow these steps. You can copy the link of an Instagram post. You can also copy the link of your profile. First, you have to launch the Instagram app on your iPhone and log into your account if you haven't already. Then you navigate to the post or content for which you want to copy the link. So we want to share this dessert with our friends. You click on the three dots in the top right corner. Yep. Now a menu will appear with various options. Then you can choose to click on the QR code, but you can also, click on done, get back to the three dots, then post to other apps. Click on it, and then you can click on copy link copy to clipboard, and now you can share it with your friends on WhatsApp or maybe on Facebook. And if you want to share your profile link, your Instagram profile, then you go back to the home screen, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then you click on share profile. Okay, now you get the screen and you can choose to share your profile with the QR code, or you can click on copy link. Now your link is copied to clipboard and you can share your profile with your friends. You can also click on share profile to share it directly to your friends on WhatsApp or Facebook. But most of the time I use the copy link. And that's it. That's how you copy an Instagram link on an iPhone.